Crypto is crashing, so I decided to make you guys a top 5 list of meme coins that you need to buy during this crypto crash. Guys, we've been seeing tokens down anywhere from 10 to 25%, so make sure you take these opportunities to load up on a solid bag on some of these top 5 tokens that we're covering on this list. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today we're talking about these top 5 cryptocurrencies, but like always guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money on the cryptos we cover on this channel. We see overall crypto market looking quite shaky, currently under 43 in terms of fear and greed index. Not too long ago guys, we were in greed and slowly creeping back towards fear. It's interesting to say the least. I don't think the low prices are going to last long. I think we're about to see a swift recovery. Ethereum down nearly 25%, Bitcoin down 15%, and I imagine the next couple of weeks we're easily going to see this flip. So if you want to buy now guys, these are the top 5 tokens you should definitely look at. Meme coin market has also taken a significant dip past couple of days, so the opportunities are looking endless. First project I want to talk about guys is not even on CoinMarketCap. It is TopG 1500 coin. This project is going absolutely ballistic, trending crazy on social media, and might be the next big Solana gem. So TopG 1500 official, newest meme coin on Solana with a life narrative, walking 1500 miles from the UK to Romania to meet the Tate brothers. So this is it looks like a project for a story of the ages. Looks like there has been a man escaping the Matrix. This guy specifically walking from the UK to Romania to meet the TopG himself. This project is going to be interesting to say the least, because we already see that Andrew Tate's been very popular in the crypto space, and now this man who's created this crypto project is walking to TopG, and this could be pretty massive. We can see biggest meme coin challenge. Meanwhile, Dev is walking 1500 miles on foot to meet TopG. We may challenge whoever is the first to do 1500 push-ups will get the reward of 0.4 Sol. Pretty cool, a nice little giveaway for the community. Guys, this project has potential to pop off. Again, very, very early, but again has some massive opportunity as well. We're taking a look on the transactions, guys. It was looking a little bit bearish within a transaction, guys, in the past 24 hours, down nearly 13%. Market cap at $1.6 million. Very small cap and has a potential to do some crazy things. So if you want to load up, definitely take a look at this project. Next project on the list, guys, is a more blue chip project, and that is Pepe. Pepe is down nearly 4% on the month, and on the year, we are up still a whopping percent. Now, guys, we have been seeing a sharp pull down, and I'm anticipating to see a massive recovery. We can even see some meme coins also experience a decent bounce. Pepe 10%, Bonk 11%, and Brett 11%. Again, these bounces were obviously pretty solid. It was nice to see that it is recovering, but I imagine it's going to recover a lot more, and potentially for Pepe specifically, we are anticipating to see another all-time high this bull run alone. That being said, if you bought in now, you can make some solid gains when this happens, so you may want to load up on some Pep. Talking about Pepe, if you enjoy Pepe, guys, you're going to love this next coin because it is a pre-sale coin. This project hasn't even launched yet, but has some crazy upside potential. It's raised over $7.5 million in the pre-sale loan, and in 6 hours will have the next price hike. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during the pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Pepe on chain, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fee, high volume capacity, and dedicated block explorer. They're also offering 258% AP, which is absolutely solid. So if you buy now and stake, you can absolutely max out your rewards. Guys, deals like this don't last forever, so make sure you load up. A link in the description below. $7.5 million raised in a short amount of time is impressive to say the least, especially in a bearish market like this. That being said, it looks like the wheels are seeing something, so if you want to load up, now's your time to buy at the lowest possible price. Next token on the list is not a frog themed token, it's a dog themed token, and that is Bondcoin. Bondcoin doing a phenomenal job on social media and is really helping this coin grow to the masses. With a $1.4 billion market cap, it is a top 50 meme coin. It's actually up on the day 2%, but down 22% on the week, which gives a solid opportunity to buy. They've been crushing on X, guys. They've been growing their community massive, and in my opinion, this will stay and remain to become one of the biggest meme coins this bull run, and I think it's going to stand the test of time. Loading up on this at a 22% discount would be an absolute no-brainer. On the month, we are down 5%, already recovering. Anyone who got in here is laughing right now, so that was a solid opportunity, so don't miss out. There's still a solid amount of gains to be made, and this is a perfect entry point for those who haven't entered already. Last token on the list is Brett token, which is a token on the base ecosystem based Brett. So I think this has a unique offering as it's standing out from the crowd being on base. It's top 65 cryptocurrency, almost at $1 billion market cap, which is not too shabby. We take a look on the 1 week, we're down 27%. And the recovery hasn't been as sweet as some of the other projects, meaning you're getting a solid discount down near 22% on the month. Buying now could be setting up for a solid bag once this pumps. We can see a lot of tokens took a dip the day Bitcoin crashed, and now these tokens are making a recovery, and that's a common theme across the board. Guys, these cryptos have crashed because of what's going on in the market. I know it's a poopy situation, but take advantage of the poopy situations to load up at these absolute lowest prices, so when they do pump, you can sell and make a massive profit. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know how you like this top 5 list. Was a token you would have added instead? What's your favorite token on this list? Let's continue the conversation in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.